Okay, so if we're just simplifying this expression, I just did what you told me not to do. I have an equal sign. I'm basically saying that this expression is going to be equal to what we simplify it to. Well, how do you simplify it? It tells us in terms of what? Sine and cosines. Partner B, tell partner A which identity are you going to use and tell them what you're going to write there. And then the other person, tell them the name of the identity and what you will write there. Ready, set, go. Unit for tangent. How do I change them into sine and cosines? Why? Which identity? Quotient identity. Daphne, cotangent. Cosine over sine. Why? The quotient identity. Okay. Can I add these two fractions? Do they have a common denominator?
No.
This is how I think of it. This side has sine, this one has cosine. So this one's missing a cosine. And this side's missing a sine in the denominator. So when you multiply these two, you're going to get sine squared theta over sine cosine. Now it doesn't matter which one you have first, just be consistent. So we put sine first. And this side is cosine times cosine, which is cosine squared theta equals sine theta cosine theta. Class, yes or no? Do they have a common denominator?
Yeah.
Common denominator is sine cosine. And now I have sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta. Whisper it to your partner. Something's happening here on the numerator. I'll give you a hint. Put it in green because I found an identity. Ruby, which identity has sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta? The Pythagorean identity is correct. What is that equal to? Well, if you look at your formula sheet, right? Sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equals Brenda, sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equals on your formula sheet, sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equals 1. And this is our answer. When I simplify this, using sines and cosines, we use the quotient identity and the Pythagorean identity. When I simplify tangent theta plus cotangent theta equals 1 over sine theta cosine theta.